I used the food chopper to slice 3 washed and peeled onions. Next, I replaced the chopper knife with a whisk add-on and poured in 5 beaten eggs and added a little salt. I blended this for a few seconds and obtained this frothy texture. I heated up a little oil in a frying pan and poured into it an adequate amount of the mixture. The mixture was frying. I used a wooden spoon to have it move across the mixture lightly from the sides to the center in a counterclockwise fashion, doing a few laps to have the mixture develop a more fluffy texture. Once all of the mixture was absorbed into fluffy clouds of eggs, like here in the image, I let them fry for a few more seconds, to have them get a little more crispy. Then the meal was ready. Enjoy, thanks for watching.